Welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of rigid impact onto the ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete with rebar inside that. And if I click on this option and let me just hold the concrete part, this is the concrete you can see. And I use magnitude, see that for instance 3 magnitude to have a better view and limit. You can see this is the stress propagation during the impact. Okay, let's me to request compressive damage, remove the limit. See that this is the compressive damage happened during this impact. Or tensile damage, see this is the tensile damage. Or a stiffness, sorry for that, a stiffness degradation. And we can see that in a thickness, stiffness degradation. Okay, and now let me to replace the displacement and replace the rebar. See that these are the rebar inside the concrete, embedded inside the concrete, and the stress for that. Okay, if you need to model ultra high performance concrete behavior with damage property, you can come to our website www.abaqus.com, find the English tutorial, click on title or browser. Or if you couldn't find that, write some words of this title here to find the article. Then you will have this title, short explanation about the geometry, and here definition of the material, method, steps, interaction, and boundary conditions, and then the results here. There are three important points at the end. The file contains a CAILP in English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with them. If you haven't bitcoins, you can pay it with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.